Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on dividing mixed fractions. The process for dividing mixed fractions is similar to the process used for dividing simple fractions. The following steps are a useful guide. Number 1. Change each mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Number 2. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign. Invert the fraction that was after the initial division sign. Continue using the steps that were outlined for division of simple fractions. Let's look at some basic examples just to illustrate this process. Number 1, 1½ divided by 2 1/4. So the first step is to change each mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So 1½ is 3/2. 2 1/4 is 9/4. Step 2. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign. So that division sign gets changed to a multiplication sign, and because we've done that, step 3 says invert the fraction that was after the initial division sign. So this was the fraction that was after this division sign, so make it 4/9. Just turn it upside down. Now just follow the normal steps. If we remember, the normal steps tell us to multiply the numerators together, 3 4s are 12, and multiply the denominators together, 2 9s are 18, 12/18. Excuse me. Now, you can see from the knowledge of tables that 6 divides into both of those. So 12 divided by 6 over 18 divided by 6, that gives us 2/3. And that's the simplest form of 12/18. And that's the answer. 5 1/3 divided by 3 1/4. 5 1/3 is 16/3. 3 1/4 is 13/4. Change the division sign to a multiplication sign and turn the fraction upside down. So we've done that from there to there. 13/4 becomes 4/13. Multiply the numerators to give us 64. Multiply the denominators to give us 39. 39 into 64 goes once, and 25 left over, so it's 1 25/39. 2 1/4 multiplied by 3 1/2 divided by 1 1/3. So we go from here up to here, where all we've done is we've written all those down as improper fractions. Over here, we change the division sign to a multiplication sign and make the 4/3 to 3/4. Multiply the numerators together to get 189. Multiply the denominators together to get 32. 32 into 189 goes 5 times, and 29 left over. So it's 5 and 29/32. So this video has outlined the process for dividing mixed fractions, and the steps are quite straightforward. If you follow them one by one, you won't go wrong. Remember to do any simplification at the end.